traffic, Jabiru 7179er, joining long downwind, runway 06, Devonport. Where is this other plane? Oh, there it is.
Hi.
Get him on video.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0732 is turning downwind, runway 06, Devonport.
Alright, he's out wide enough.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0662 is airborne off runway 06, Devonport.
Jabiru 7179 and Jabiru 0732. Do you have us sighted?
Jabiru 7179er has 0732 sighted.
Thanks.
Alright, we've got a plane there.
Hey, the plane there.
Get him on camera. Got him there? Just passing us straight now.
Oh.
He's turning crosswind now.
Yeah.
Now we've got a plane ahead of us too.
Are we going to have to wait for both of them?
He's going to do touch and go, we're going to do full stop, so 662 is going to have to wait for us.
Sweet. Aha, 662. Hopefully this time we won't have one of them wobbly wheel problems.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0662 is turning downwind, runway 24, and has Jabiru 7179 and Jabiru 0732 visual.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0732 is turning left base, runway 06, Devonport.
He's going down the lane.
Yep.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0732 is turning onto final, runway 06, touch and go, Devonport.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 7179 is turning left base, runway 06, Devonport.
Jabiru 0662 to Jabiru 7179er, you're doing a touch and go or a full stop?
Jabiru 7179 is doing a full stop.
Copy that, Jabiru 0662 will extend the downwind leg to give you plenty of time to land.
Thanks.
7179er, are you going up again later on, or is that all you're doing today?
This is it for me. Devonport traffic, Jabiru 7179 at turning final, runway 06, full stop, Devonport.
Roger, because I won't be down for about another half an hour.
Put him in visual. Zoom in if you want.
Traffic, Jabiru 0662 is turning extended base, runway 206, Devonport.
Brake. Lots. a break so we can time.
Union traffic, Cessna 172 Delta Kilo Quebec is overhead the field, maintaining 7,500 and amended intentions are now to track 115 direct to Jacob Sugarloaf, maintaining 7,500. Union.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 0662 is turning final runway 06 Devonport. Touch and go.
Devonport traffic, Jabiru 7179 is clear of all runways and taxiing to the GA area, Devonport.